what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have another unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box. This is the January edition. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I'm being a little cheeky YouTuber and trying to film 3 videos in one, just because I do work all weekend and I just want to film a lot, and I have a lot of stuff to film for you. Like, honestly, I have a lot of stuff to film, so might as well just do it all in one day if I can. So for today's video, we are doing another unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box, and you guys can see right here, it does have a little bit of a little mishap. I don't know what my mailman was doing. Maybe he just got pissed and went to my box. I don't know. This is the second box I have ever received. I was inspired to get this collection from Chrissy Harless herself because I always saw her doing these unboxings and I was like, damn, she gets some really good products in there. I want to sign up for myself. Now my December box I did only pay $10 for because it was a monthly special they had going on. So this month I did spend $15 on it, and on the website, because I'm still new to this, it says that you're supposed to get a $70+ value in here. You get the top products selected by Allure editorial experts. You get at least 2 full-size products, a mini mag with tips, shortcuts, step-by-steps, and exclusive offers, and then new members get a bonus gift valued at $15 plus, and you get free shipping. I really loved my last month's box. I got a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills products in there, which I was really shocked by. And my best friend Kayla saw that. She's like, I'm signing up. So let's go ahead and just dive on into this because I do have a lot of videos to film. Alright, so for the first things first, we see this little promo code right here. I'm gonna let you guys see what's on the inside because I genuinely want to be surprised of what we have. I cannot see anything. So I like how it's like just nicely wrapped. It's so freaking cute. It's like I'm opening a little present. Alright, so what do we have in here? Ooh, what do we have in here? All right, so the first thing I'm seeing is this full-size product right here. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. Now, you'd be surprised, I've never actually tried this mascara before. I've only ever seen it at the stores, but never actually wanted to try it, or never actually tried it. I don't know why, I was being a little stinker and never tried it. Let's see, what does it say on here? It says the price on this is actually $23 right here, and it does have a promo code where you can get 15% off your order. The promo code is TarteXAllure 2020, so use that code to save 15% off your purchase. I guess on Tarte Cosmetics. That's so you guys can use the promo code. But this is the mascara. It's in black, thank gosh, because I only ever use black mascara. And I don't like how this is. Is this just the packaging, right? Or no, this is the actual product. Okay, this is the big reveal. You guys know how I like my wands, so we'll see how this one is. Ooh, this is a wand that I like. That's exciting. Ooh, okay, I'm excited to give this product a try. What does it say it's supposed to do? It's just a 4-in-1 mascara. That's all it says. It just shows before and after right here. So we're definitely gonna have to get this product a try tomorrow to see if it really makes my lashes look as luxurious as in that product right there. That's exciting. Now there's 2 different versions you could have gotten. You could have gotten the one that I got, Tarte Lights Camera and Lashes, or you could have gotten the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara for $23. So you could have gotten 2 different versions. I'm actually really grateful that we got this one right here. I've never even heard of the other one. So that's exciting. Alright, what is the next product? Alright, next product is Perfect Shine Oil Mist, color and heat protectant, paraben free. What's an oil mist? Is it for your hair? Okay, so this is a $16 product. Oh, I think this is a same exact thing, like full size. This is a full size. A light reflecting hair oil mist for instantly smooth wow factor color and shine. Lightly mist on dry hair for mirror like shine. Wow. Oh, this is cruelty free. And you can buy it on Amazon at Nature Lab right there. So let's... Actually has a very soft, sweet vanilla scent to it. You actually know what this smells like? This smells like one of my luxury SB perfumes. Really nice super, super oily. I am not a big fan of putting oils in my hair just because I do get really oily hair. I know, shocker. So I don't really necessarily know how I feel about putting an oil in my hair. Yes, it is a natural product, it is cruelty free, but I feel like it's gonna make my hair look extra greasy. So I don't know if I'm going to try this product. I might try it one time on a day that I know I'm gonna have to wash my hair that day. That way I can see the full effect, but I don't wanna try it right now because my hair is freshly washed. So looks nice, but super oily. All right, the next product is a Acker Skin Pure Lip Restoration. This price is $30. No fucking way. This little thing's $30. The fuck? Well, that's what my body thinks of it. No way. This is $30. This is no. This has to be sample size. Oh wow, though. That like just like turns into like goopiness. Not a big fan of that smell though. It's like a, I don't know how to describe the smell. Wear on its own or prior to applying lip color. Apply a thick layer before bed as an overnight lip treatment. It is organic, clean, and cruelty free. This is a Tibetan-inspired beauty, a lightweight, creamy treatment guaranteed to provide instant hydration for dry and chapped lips. Antioxidants work to protect against sun damage and lessen the appearance of fine lines. Smells of freshly brewed rose orange tea. Our lip restoration is made of pure plant-based ingredients and free of mineral oil. I don't know, that doesn't really smell the best. I'm not gonna lie. $30. This is a joke. No way! I would never in a million years spend $30 on this, especially when I had my Vaseline lip therapy in the aloe flavor. This is like $2 or $3 at CVS Walgreens. Smells like pure heaven. Oh, I love how that smells. I'm definitely gonna give this a try because I like trying any sort of lip products, but I just find it so weird this would be retailing for $30. I mean, it has a really like weird like sticky texture to it. You guys see that right there? Super weird. I'm not the biggest fan of the smell, but this is something I'm gonna try. If I don't like how it smells or tastes, then it's got to go. Then well, then I'll just I don't know what I'll do. All right, what's the next product? Hold up, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
I did get it. I got the VitaBird Dual Drop Serum Age Defining Deep Hydration. So this is $62 and you can find it at vitabird.com. And again, there is code where you can buy the full size. Wait, I'm so confused. Price is $62. You could buy it at vitabird.com. Promo code, enter Allure20 at checkout to purchase a full size dual drop serum for a special price of $9.90. Okay. This is my second time doing this box, so bear with me because I am like messing up. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the sample size right here. It has to be the sample size. There's no freaking way it's not the sample size. But it says the price is $62, but you could buy the full size using Allure20 at their website for $9.90. I'm so confused by that. Why would they like discount it so much? Okay, so we're just, I don't know the price point on this at this point. This is a little confusing. These videos, these boxes sometimes irritate me because sometimes they make it seem like that's the product value, even though I read it all. But okay, so we don't know the price. This is just a sample size. We're just gonna do that. We're just gonna say that. So look how tiny. Oh, that actually looks really nice. Actually, it says this is supposed to make your skin look firmer, brighter, and hydrated. It's a new upgraded or their vitamin C dual serum. And it's supposed to be for age-defying deep hydration. It's supposed to reduce the signs of aging and brighten skin tones, providing a deep hydration. Well, I wonder how you smell though. Ooh, that smells so nice. That smells really, really nice. Ooh, that is beautiful smelling. I love that. Wow. Okay, then this is exciting. I'm excited to try this out regardless of the price. I don't know the price point on this. But that smells really good. I'm excited to give that a try. Alright, so the next product is Kate Somerville Skin Experts Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So for the full price of this is $75 for 1.7 ounces. Wait, hold up a minute, what? It's not cheap. So this product is apparently not cheap. It says it's not cheap. $175 for a 5-ounce bottle. $75 for 1.7 ounces. But did I mention you get a gorgeous glow? You could buy it on Sephora. Oh my God, $175 for a 5-ounce bottle, the fuck? And then $75 for 1.7 ounces? What? This better be a holy grail in the bottle. Hollywood's 2-minute facial, Kate's best-selling exfoliator, is infused with scrubbing exfoliants and fruit eczemas to reveal a smoother, brighter, healthy-looking complexion after just one use. Wow, Kate. With that much money, I better walk out of there looking like freaking Kate Winslet, okay? That's insane. But we're definitely gonna have to give this a try. It's supposed to make me look like I walked out of a Hollywood movie set. I better walk out of there looking like I'm an A+ celeb. And that stinks. Ugh. Let's put a little bit in my hand. That's $20 worth of the product. Just want to give you guys a heads up. Ooh, it has a nice little grainy texture. It's nice and green. Ugh. It smells like lime juice, citrus, and like kale all mixed into one. That's stinky. Ugh. Ugh. That smells really bad. Whatever. I don't have to breathe when I'm doing this on my face. 2 minutes not breathing. Got it. The last product is Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. Ooh. So the price of the full-size product is $39, and you can go to philosophy.com and enter Allure at checkout to receive free shipping plus a free deluxe mini of your choice with any $39 purchase, which I think is fantastic. And this is a Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. Huh, it's a moisturizer. Oh, it's so tiny compared to this little guy right here. So apparently, like I said, I'm really new to this game, so please don't mind me. We got all of this. So we got all these products. The only thing the only thing I didn't get was this guy right here, because I think they just weren't sure which product you're gonna get, but I got everything else in here, so that is something. But this is Renewed Hope in a Jar. I've never actually tried Philosophy. I used to see it all the time when I worked at Ulta. I used to always measure their lotions, but I never actually played with any of their facial products. So let's put a little bit right here. Oh, that smells really nice. The other product is still overwhelming it. All right. Oh, so unfortunately, I can't really add up the value in here because the only full-size product that I know we got is going to be the Tarte product. This is the only full-size product. Everything else in the box, I think maybe this is the second full-size product right here. I think it's the only second one. Everything else is a sample size, or unless this is a sample, I don't know. This could be full-size. I unfortunately don't know. I mean, it looks like it is. I hate when boxes make me feel like I don't know what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, I don't know the value of this box because it's a little confusing, especially like this Vitabird. As exciting I am about to try this, the full size of this is $62, but then you could use the code and only spend $9.99 to buy the full size of it. That's where I'm kind of confused at. That's a little confusing. I don't know. I don't make these rolls. I don't make these boxes, but I really do like the Allure Beauty Box. I think it's a really cool concept. You only spend $15 on it in here. You get 5 to 6 products and you get free shipping, and you do get a retail value over 70 plus. Unfortunately, I don't know what my retail value is because I think these are the only full-size products, but I don't know about the rest. I've never even heard of this brand and the Acker brand, or this one right here, but I have heard of Philosophy, so that's exciting right here. Sorry, I lost the cap. It fell on the floor and I don't know where it went, so there's that. But this is such a cool little concept. Like I said, Chrissy does such a great job at trying out all these products and giving you guys an updated version of them next month. I'm gonna do what she did. I think I'm gonna start, using her little technique. I'm gonna use all these products and then in the next month's box do like a little recap to say what I thought about these products. The only thing I'm not really excited to try is this Kate Somerville, just because it smells like pure garbage, and I'm just gonna have that on my face. But you know what? If I walk away looking like an A+ movie star, then we're gonna talk about the price point. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9, 10, 11 videos a week. I don't know, I just post all the time. Also make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing fiance Corey. And as always guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Thumbnail times with my broken box. Oh, look at me filming 3 videos in one. Who do I think I am? $1 a month beauty box. So I should probably have my own information ready because I'm not that used to it. So, Tarte gifted claim. So the next product.